Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 25H2 install create local account bypass MS account step by step. Press Ctrl, Shift, and J keys. Type winjs.application.restart opening bracket double quote ms-cxh colon / local only double quote closing bracket. Press Enter key. Press Escape key. Add new local account. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.